Add AI chatbot to Google Sites. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add AI chatbot to Google Sites. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And now in creating an AI chatbot, we need to have or use this kind of platform called landbot.io. And to create an account on Landbot, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Landbot, it is a no-code chatbot builder that allows users to create conversational experiences for websites, WhatsApp, and other messaging platform, in which it is designed for ease of use. Landbot features a drag-and-drop interface where users can visually design chat flows without any programming skills. It supports integrations with tools like Google Sheets, Zapier, and CRM systems, making it a powerful option for automating lead generation, customer support, and user engagement. And now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click Try Landbot free button right here. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to simply enter your email address and your password, or alternatively use your Google account in here to sign in. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out the required information, including to enter here your name, for example, and it's going to enter my first name. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose here, how would you like to use the Landbot? I'm going to choose, for example, personal. And after that, it will ask you another question, so just simply answer the question based on a given question right here. I'm going to choose other in here. And after that, in here, it will ask you, where did you hear about Landbot? And I'm going to choose, for example, other once again. So basically, just simply fill out all of this required information, including this part, which is to choose this web as your option for both engaged users. After that, you will now be able to be directed on this page where you can start creating a Landbot, in which it will show you a step-by-step process to do it. All you need to do is simply choose here your first block buttons, for example this one. And after that, on the left side panel, you can choose different kind of messages that you can write and also a content for it. And after the button, you could also add another kind of blocks. We have here questions, and you could also click the publish button once you're now done. But you could also proceed on this dashboard right here, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But in here, since we're trying to build a chatbot for our Google site, the first thing that we need to do is just click this chatbot or all chatbot. And on the top right corner, just click build a chatbot button and click web in here to proceed. And after that, you have here an option to start from scratch, building using a template and many more. And I'm going to choose to start from scratch. And once done, you will automatically be directed again on this page. And now to start, I'm going to simply enter another question in here for the first step of the block. And for this question, I'm going to simply input here, hi, how are you? As an introductory question for a customer when they try to click our chatbot in our Google Sites. And after that, you could also click the apply button to save the changes that we just add. Or alternatively, use some other field below here. By clicking this apply button, it will automatically add a question, and we can click this arrow once again to add more block. And this time, I'm going to simply add another question at this point. And in here, I'm going to choose ask a question once again. Or you could also choose other kind of buttons if you want to. Now for the follow-up question, I'm going to simply enter here, how can I help you? Then we can now proceed by adding more again here. For example, at this point, I'm going to simply enter here a button, question, or messages. For example, for the button questions, all you need to do is to simply click the buttons option on the left side panel, or in here under the text body. For example, I'm going to add a question firstly. And for the button is the corresponding option to choose for the customers or for our viewers who want to answer their concerns or questions. For example, I'm going to enter here, choose your concerns. Since I expect that once they answer the question, they will be able to choose here a variety of kind of concerns that they want to be addressed. For example, for the first question or first option, we have here payment, followed by, for example, the other one, which is the command such as the account concerns right here. You can add more option or button right here by clicking the plus button below to proceed. And just simply enter once again another option, for example settings in here. And after that, you could also add more options by clicking the plus button and entering here your corresponding context for it for the customer. For example, error, concerns. And after that, if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking or navigating some other options in here to customize some of the buttons or the alignment in here. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by closing this one and add more kind of blocks if you want to. But let's say we're now done, but this is just only an example. However, if you go to the design section on the top panel, from here we can start designing our templates. But before that, don't forget to also open your Google Sites and find a specific website that you want to add the AI chatbot that we're currently creating in here. So for example, this News TV website. However, as you can see, there's an error on it. So make sure to start opening the website on your Google site in here that is currently working. At this point, I'm just going to simply select this JJ library as an example for it. So it is basically good to add the AI chatbot that we're currently creating. So now moving on to the design, you can click the design template on the left side panel and choose here a variety of template. If here, all you need to do is to simply click on it. If you're simple, some of the colorful, and many more. However, in those options, I'm just going to simply select this one. And now closing these design templates by clicking the apply button to save the changes and click OK once again. And after that, on the left side panel, you can choose general to change the font size, style, the background color, and add more option in here. You also have here the settings option on the top panel that you can navigate also. But make sure to publish by clicking the publish button on the top right corner to save all of the changes that you just input in here. And now by simply opening the link of our AI chatbot that we just created, it will show us in here how it is look like when a customer try to click on it. For example, I'm going to simply answer the following question. How can I help you? And I'm going to enter here, I have concerns. And after that, just click the send button, then proceed by choosing here our concerns. But it's just only an example and you can add or make it more longer if you want to. Moving on, just go to the share button on the top right corner and choose here this embed code. And it will show you the code in here that you can click the copy button to proceed. And after copying it, just simply go to our Google site and simply click the embed button on the right side panel. But make sure to also choose the kind of place that you want to put the AI chatbot in here on your Google site. By clicking this one, just simply proceed by copying once again our embed code in here, clicking this copy button, and go back to our page in here and click embed code section and paste it directly. Then click next and insert button. And once done, you should be able to see here that our AI chatbot is now added in our Google Sites. So basically, the customers who visit your website could also access this AI chatbot if they have other concerns in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can add AI chatbot to Google Sites. Thank you.